Hey, it's Gareth from Port Monkeys, and today we are at Crane Hammock in Marathon. I think that's what they call it. I thought that was a sign. So they do have a train car here. Crane Point Hammock. So there's some nature trails, there's museum, animals. So here's a map. And of course we're down there at the museum. Old rusty cannon in here, and an old rusty lizard. See that? We're going in now. Oh, enter through the gift shop, I guess.
Open the trash can. You need one of those.
Okay.
5360.
I don't have it. We didn't buy it. Where'd you buy it?
Key West Conch cooking. Whoa, baby. Bath sponge. Well, I guess we're headed out there.
Isn't that cute? You have to put that on is what I'm telling you. Cute. Okay, put those back.
There's the museum entrance.
Okay, that's fine. Just let me know which one it is.
And here's the fish tanks. Well, that looks like a lobster.
Does that look like a lobster to you?
I would call that a spiny lobster. And a largemouth bass? I don't know.
Oh, there's a crab.
Opa? Sunfish? So I think this is a dress up for photos, right? Crew of the Los Niños de los Cayos. But I don't know. Oh, hermit crabs. Large hermit crabs. And this maybe was once a canoe. A native canoe. And a giant tortoise with grass on its back. Or hay. Hay. Oh, hay. And another one. And oh, that's a starfish. There's some sea urchins.
Oh, Liam, there's a bunch of stuff over here in the little aquarium. Oh, these ones? You can touch the top. I don't know if you're supposed to touch them.
Hey, a horseshoe crab.
Maybe, or there's a starfish right here.
Come on, you can do it. So the fountain is empty, and somebody's got the wood going. George. Think. We're gonna get to go in here.
You guys were allowed in?
I'm letting him in. Okay.
We're allowed to get it.
Look at
I know. He's letting you because you're
Okay, you got your pictures?
I do.
Okay.
Oh, you want to go in? Yeah.
I'll let you in. You got your pictures?
Yeah, we did.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on out, guys.
What are the weights for?
Me.
This way.
Oh, okay. Now there's another one in here. Oh yeah, there it is. Going to sleep. So there's another cannon over there. The trees all have like name tags. That's Jamaica dogwood with lights. Crane Point Hammock was created in 1978. So the butterfly garden is off this way. The wild bird center is back that way. Cracker house, crane house, fish pedicure.
Wild Bird Center.
And they've got a little stage, like a little amphitheater here. And I don't know what these are.
Cars.
Oh,
Being charged.
well, those are anyway. Those are golf carts. Palm Trail. Wait,
Crane House.
should we have... Well, they're already gone. I think we should have. Tropical hardwood hammock.
I guess we'll come this way on the way out.
Maybe. Oh, here's more golf cars. Or cars.
I got you a walk.
Crane Road we're on. But there is another trail off in the distance. So that's a Florida thatch palm. Black ironwood and ironwood. So ironwood on that side, black ironwood on this side. They look the same to the untrained eye. Hey, there's the rest of our group. So I'm guessing we're going to go on the mangrove trail. Not Sunset Boardwalk or Museum or well, that's where we came from. So, right there. Tell me if I hit any branches with my 360. And don't forget to watch the 360 video of our visit.
What kind of rocks do you think these are? Look at that.
An inch of elevation, a world of difference. Yeah, I'm thinking that inch of elevation is rapidly going away. Whoa! Oh. It's a little bit different smelling out here. So this is the mangroves.
Liam, you're not looking. Austin, 1, 2, 3.
Salted and soaked.
Look over here.
So, Adderley House, Bahama Trail, Raccoon Run, and people. So, people are bringing up our rear.
Wait, no, guys. Wait,
Oh, there it is.
go
Right here.
on Raccoon Run. I am too. I am here. I want to go on like the comic. Kids, wait up.
See that spider out
Let's
there?
We're going on Raccoon Run. Okay, hold on. Why? Okay, here we go.
Yo!
The raccoon's here.
You're not sitting. I got you supported underneath.
I would say this area of Marathon, and we are on Marathon Island, Marathon Key, is completely different than all the rest. In fact, if you listen, you can hear the roads, the cars on the road, on the highway.
What do you say?
The people that just passed me warned me of low-hanging spiders. So I don't know if the spiders are poisonous in here. Higher and drier. Wetlands lead to uplands. Of course, there's the swamp right there. So I don't know what they call an upland here. There are branches you're going to have to duck under, though. And now my group, well, they probably haven't noticed that I'm gone, but they're way up ahead of me. Not sure what the red tape is here. I see spider web right there, but I don't see spider. So we've reached an area of palm trees. I mean, there's been palm trees all along, but now there's a lot of them. And then there weren't. What's up?
You.
Look, it's Janet. By the way, in case I didn't mention it, it's very hot and humid. And it's only April. But I'm dripping with sweat because of it. I guess we cut up with the group. I want you to see the bark on this tree. Right? Or these trees. So it peels off. Whoops. Oh, we're coming to a clearing. So this is one of the houses. I don't remember which one. But it's fairly old. Bahama Trail we were just on.